Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have another DeLonghi Magnifica that needed a tune-up, which is pretty common with these machines. So behind the front door, you replace the lower brew group, you replace some gaskets in the upper brew group, and you lubricate the shaft. And you also clean these spouts here. So let's run a shot so you can see. Pre-infusion. Thank you for sending in this unit, and thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.